To set up free Cloudflare CDN to hosting under 3 minutes. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, we're going to be talking about how you can basically set up free Cloudflare CDN to your hosting under 3 minutes in the easiest, most simplest way possible. So first of all, what you're going to do is you're going to come over to your hostinger and have at least, the premium account. You can't do this on the free account, so go with the premium or business account. It's pretty cheap and it's on a discount right now. So once you've gone with these, basically what you're going to do over here is, you can come to hosting and you can find different types of hostings over here. But for better yet, you can go over to Hostinger, Cloudflare, and now your CDN is basically your content delivery network, and your content delivery network is mainly on some other website, like let's say your WordPress and everything. So you can get this content delivery network mitigation service, which will enhance your performance and security. So let's say I want to set up, the content delivery network on my WordPress. So what you're going to want to do from here is you're going to create a Cloudflare account. Now you're going to create a Cloudflare account through the Cloudflare website. Once you've added account from there, you're going to add your domain name from your hostinger to your Cloudflare. Once you've added your name from your hostinger to your Cloudflare, you're going to choose your proper plans. Your domain's DNS records are going to appear, which are going to be pretty simple to get your head around. Point your name to the domain name to Cloudflare name servers. Once you've done all that, you're going to configure the HTTPS and you're going to follow all these settings. Make sure to check it out on Hostinger tutorials where they're going to give you all the different SSL and TLS overviews. Once you've done that, go with the full or full strict, whatever you want to go with. And then in the API, you're going to get the API token for your Cloudflare. Once you've obviously make sure you've connected your hosting or domain to Cloudflare, because without that, it won't work. So once you've connected your hosting or domain, make sure your Cloudflare is connected. Once that is done, basically, let it rip from there on out. You're just going to add the API key and everything should be good to go. So yeah, basically that is how you can set up free Cloudflare CDN to hosting under 3 minutes. Thank you for watching and I'll see all of you next time. Goodbye.